Hi folks, and welcome to our second question in the vertical cuts method. So there's the given question, and when you go ahead and set it up, you'll be looking at something like this. Now the blue line that is appearing in here is a representation in elevation of the extreme generator of that sphere. So we have a sphere being intersected by a triangular prism. Now in plan view, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a vertical cut along that green line there. Now if you can imagine just swiping down on top of that with a big kitchen knife and cutting off that sphere, that would produce us a circle in elevation. And we know this to be true because if you were in your kitchen and you cut an orange, and if you look in at the surface of that orange, you have just cut direct at 90 degrees, it will produce a circle. Now also down here, we have where the vertical cut was taken, we have the one point on the line of intersection, so we can bring that up now and find that point in elevation. And in this question we're just going to concentrate on the left hand side for the moment because this is symmetrical, and if you can find one point, folks, you can find any amount of them. It's just a matter of repeating the process. So take as many vertical cuts as you want. Here's another one. This will produce another circle in elevation, and again where the vertical cut cuts the triangular prism, we'll bring up that point, and that gives us a second point on the line of intersection. And we keep doing that, so on and so on, keep getting those points all the way up. Now when you come up here, I'll just stop for a moment, you'd want to take a vertical cut across on the back here to find a point of intersection up here. Okay, this would be a key point for us. So you can barely see it there, but there's a little red line coming in there for a vertical cut. In plan view, we'll bring it up, and it's actually by coincidence there, it's just landing straight on this guy here, on this our original red circle. So we still get the point, another point on that red circle. So there is a series of points 1 to 8 on the top left hand side of that. And one more point then we would get would be down here, of course, where on the front top side where the line of a point on the line of intersection, that gives us 9. Now at that stage then you have worked out 1/4 of this, so you can mirror your points down and across then, and that will give you virtually all the points on the line of intersection, but not quite, because there's another part of this which you can't see here on the back. But we know that this sphere is bulging out on the back behind that triangular prism. So there would be right here, there would be hidden detail to be going in the elevation. So that would be occurring on this, excuse me, this red circle which we put into elevation a while ago there. So we can just go then and we can finish out our hidden detail now. And you can see that curve coming in there and down here on the bottom side as well. Okay, so that's the second question, vertical cuts method. Hope you found that useful. More videos to come, folks. Take care and stay safe.